Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. When operating normally, the garbage disposer motor rotates a grinding or shredder plate to break down the food particles. Certain fibrous materials, such as potato peels and corn husks, can cause the grinding plate to jam. A garbage disposer wrench is a dedicated tool specifically designed to help manually unjam the disposer's grinding plate. Before you use the tool, be sure to unplug the unit's power cord. Insert the wrench into the opening on the bottom of the disposer housing and rotate it back and forth. This action will force the grinding plate to rotate and hopefully eliminate the obstruction. If your disposer model doesn't have an opening on the bottom for the wrench to be inserted into, you can insert a broom handle through the sink drain opening to turn the plate. With the obstruction cleared, plug the power cord back in, and the garbage disposer should be ready for use.